iron. What are you trying to say? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kyra Sean. So today's video is brought to you by Divaswigs. They were kind enough to send me a unit to review for you guys. This is my first time installing a unit from them, so I do not have any expectations as far as the company is concerned. So make sure you stay tuned for what I think about this unit out the pack, and I will give you guys my first impression on the unit. I will be wearing this unit for date night, so I want to make sure that I am, gathered properly. So before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Hold on, let me get some water real quick because let's go ahead and unwrap my hair really quick. So how y'all doing, huh? I already got my wig grip on. I had to use my old joint because I can't find my newer one. I'm always losing something, y'all, always. So I had a pretty chill weekend for the most part. I'm ready for our date night tonight, but I gotta get ready for it. I gotta get ready for it. This unit does come with some curls in it. I'm pretty sure they put the curls in the unit, for me. You can go in and wash and condition the unit. It does come with a slight chemical smell that you may want to go ahead and get out the unit, but because I'm on a time crunch, I'm not going to do that today. So I just sprayed her down with a little bit of dry shampoo just to kind of get her, smelling right. This is their 5x5 Swiss lace closure unit, so you don't get lace from ear to ear. You just get the 5x5 section up in here. And I will say, considering my dome is on the bigger side, this is fitting pretty nicely across my forehead. I got a lot of forehead real estate, okay? So sometimes that closure don't be sitting right, okay? It be sitting like right up in here. I can't do nothing with that. That Swiss lace is melting pretty nicely into my forehead. Up close, those knots do look pretty big though. So what I'm going to do is use my powder under the lace. If I can get, I'm going to use my Fit Me foundation powder under the lace to kind of hide those knots just as much as I can. And I'm going to try to rock this unit glueless. Okay, that's the plan. Okay, because I don't want to be putting no glue on my face today. Glue to me is my got to be. I don't actually use wig glue like that bowl hole stuff. I don't do all that. Oh yeah. The cap instruction for this unit outside the 5x5 closure is the same as pretty much every other wig that you will see on my channel. So it comes with the 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. I did go in and hook the straps on the back to the second hook just to kind of give me some, some snugness, because again, I'm trying to rock this unit glueless. We will see how that comes out. I did get the average size cap, and this unit is fitting down pretty good on my 23-inch dome. They do have a smaller cap, so if you have a peanut head, you can go ahead and rock that joint as well, okay? The curls in there are pretty much coming out, so we're gonna need to curl this back up. The hairline to me is a little bit blocky for my taste. Now you could go in and kind of swoop the hairs a little bit to kind of give you more of a, natural look, but I'm gonna go ahead and pluck out some of this hair. Just kind of break this up a smidge. I do hate doing this on my head, but the lazy girl in me doesn't feel like taking it off and putting it on my mannequin. All right, so now I'm going to pin this back like so. Let me take my glasses off. My glasses sometimes get in my way. A lot of you guys be asking me how do I wear glasses, with my wigs and everything. I just wear them like normal. So like say for this wig, for a closure, I just put it right up underneath the closure. If that bothers you, you can simply just kind of fold the unit, tuck it up like that, and then you just put it up on your ear. Nothing crazy. If I'm gluing my unit down from ear to ear, then the glasses just sit on top of the lace like normal. So my razor, this lace does blend down pretty nicely to my skin. I'm not trying to spray her down, so I'm hoping I won't need to do that. Move her just like in that. That's how that lace is sitting currently on my dome. Mess this up just a little bit. The little baby hairs will pop out when I do that, so there they go. So I can swoop them if I choose to once I get to that part. But first, we're gonna go ahead and refresh our curls because they're they didn't quite make it through the packaging. So I'm using my 1-inch curling iron. Y'all know I'm from the DMV, Maryland to be exact. I didn't think I had an accent until I say certain things. And even I'm just like, what are you trying to say? Iron. Sounds so weird, y'all. Just putting some curls back in this joint, that's all. Easy street. I don't want to be sitting here all day curling this unit. I don't want to do it. And when it comes to the top here, I do want to take a little bit of time because I want to make sure it's right. So I want it to fall a certain way. So I got to make sure I curl it right. Yeah, that's falling over there. That's how I want it to fall. But I need to move it up a little bit. I gotta put some more body right in here because she a little droopy. This hair is curling pretty nicely, I will say that. This unit does come in different lengths. I got the 18-inch for mine. I think the longest length they have is, I think, 24 inches, if I'm not mistaken. It's getting, ow, God dang it. And just keep on curling it up. So yeah, like I was saying, I got the 18 inches, and any other specs that I got for my unit will be listed down below in the description box. So when you check this unit out for yourself, you can do that. Click the link. Now the parting space for this unit is pretty open. However, if you want to go in and open it up a little bit more, you do have some space to do that. We can bring some of this hair back a little bit. Ow, god dang, this thing is hot. Now you don't want to get hot like that any other time. Now you want to freaking burn my skin off my forehead. Let me get my wax stick up in here. So I didn't plan on doing any type of baby hairs, but I feel like I want to do them. Let me live, let me live. Okay, I'm gonna use my even edge control to swoop these joints. I don't know if this is gonna work out or not. We're gonna find out together now, ain't we? Put a little bit right up in here. I'm gonna use my knot eraser. If you don't have the knot eraser, you can just use some concealer. You don't need the knot eraser to, you know, define your part, but I do like having this because I don't have to waste my makeup on my actual hair. Put that right in the parting space. I can use that to break up my hairline as well. Uh-oh, we got a snag. Let me get my curls right. Changing up my curl pattern here. I'm liking how that's looking. So let me just go ahead and fix it up real quick. This hair does curl really nicely, y'all. Curls really, really nicely. Let the dogs out. What are you doing? No, what was that noise? That noise. I think we getting her together, y'all. I think we getting her together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyelashes, change out my shirt, and then we'll come back and finish up this unit, okay? Be back. Oh yeah, y'all, she coming together. She put the lashes on, it comes together. Date night about to be a movie. I'm hitting Kenny with the baby I deserve. Look at me, how you gonna turn me down? How he gonna turn me down? And grab my brush. I want my curls to be very like effortless. I like that, y'all. I like that today. I like that, y'all. Hold up, hold up. Now I did have 1 or 2 snags on the ends of my unit, but I think that's just from packaging. I didn't see any shedding though. Let me check my shirt real quick. Let me do a little pull test. Nope, no shedding whatsoever on this unit. So you may or may not have any shedding when you go in and co-wash your unit. Okay, brush them all out, get them together. Let me finish off with my hairspray. I'm gonna use my Garnier Fructis Full Control Hairspray. Put that behind the ear. Let's bring that down. Let's bring that down. Okay, y'all. Now I can breathe, y'all. I can breathe easy now. I was holding my breath that whole entire time. Look, I think date night about to be. Come on. Look, I was a little worried about the closure, but I think I got her together. My swoops are a little thick, okay? But for the look that she is given, I don't think she looks bad. Y'all let me know down below what y'all think though, okay? This unit is very simple, okay? It's a very beginner-friendly unit. If you're not someone who wants to do a whole bunch of glue or, you know, deal with a whole bunch of lace, closures are good for you. The lace, as you guys saw, blended in perfectly with my skin tone. Besides the knots being a little bit too big and a little bit too dark for me, you guys saw I went in and fixed that, so, you know, nothing crazy. You do see that line of demarcation right there, but again, I didn't spray mine down. Mine is sitting on my head glueless, okay? So with the lights beaming on my face, you're gonna see some lines. But all in all, I think this unit is really pretty. She is on the higher side for the price point though, but you control your purse strings, okay? I'm just showing you guys what's out there. So if you happen to want to splurge on yourself a little bit, okay? Get your unit that has some nice lace, that's beginner friendly, that doesn't require a lot of work besides some curls. By all means, spend your coin, okay? Okay. Shout out one more time to Divaswigs for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. As always, I will put the specs and the direct link for my unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.